Now you can touch anywhere and you can scroll your items. Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve the problem of scroll bar not responding to touch in Godot, or in a simple way we are going to make our scroll bar in such a way that we don't need this scroll bar to be touched every time to scroll the screen. We can touch anywhere in the screen and we can scroll our items. So let's make that happen. First of all, let's see our project. So this is our project, and it's the control type, the main, yeah, it's the main scene. And then after that I've made a center container, a scroll container, which is actually used for making the scroll bar. And inside it there is a grid container where it places the buttons in the scroll container like this. So if you don't know how to use scroll container, you can watch my previous video for a short scroll bar or a scroll container tutorial in Godot, which I will just put the link in the description as well. And now let's see what happens in this project right now, and let's solve the problem of scroll bar not scrolling when we touch inside the screen. So if I play our scene, you can see, and we can actually scroll our screen like this by touching the scroll bar. But if I want to scroll from here by touching the middle of the screens, I cannot scroll the screen. Yeah, so let's fix this. So this actually happens because of these buttons that will take our input and they will use it in their own way. Okay, so let's solve the problem so that we can scroll our scroll container even if we just push these buttons up or down. Our scroll container need to be scrolled. So let's make that happen. For this, let's go to our button first. Okay, and let's scroll downwards in the inspector panel, and there is something called, here in the control section there is something called input. Okay, so let me just click in the input here. Am I clicking in the input or something else? Not in the input, in the mouse. Okay, in the inspector panel, just click on your item of the grid items. Yeah, the scroll items, and then just go to inspector, and downwards you will find mouse. Just click here, and you can see in the filter option there is something called stop. So that's what is stopping the scroll. So let's click on the filter, and let's click in the options here, and let's just place the option to pass and propagate. Okay, and that's how it solves the scroll problem, guys. Now we can scroll our screen with just a touch. Now let's save it, and let's play our scene again. And if I do scroll, it doesn't happen. Do you know why? Because all these are separate buttons. I only made this thing to that button. Okay, if I click on this button and try to scroll, we can scroll. Yeah, so let's do this for all the buttons. For that, let me just delete all the buttons. I just duplicate it first. Oh my god, there are a lot of buttons. Delete everything. Delete everything. Delete it. Okay, I've only got button 1 now, and we cannot see the scroll bar also. So let me just duplicate these buttons. Duplicate. a lot. Yeah, save it. Now all the buttons, if we click here and go downwards in the mouse, and here we can see in the filter option we have got pass and propagate. Yeah, and now let's see if I click on the play button, and now if you want to scroll from here, you can scroll your items. You don't have to touch the scroll bar. Okay, and it's a mobile friendly now. And that's how we solve the problem of scroll container not scrolling when we touch in the middle of the screen. Yeah, it only scrolls when we touch the scroll bar. Now you can touch anywhere and you can scroll your items, and that's how we solve the problem of scroll bar. Thank you guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and see you next time.